didn't even start it. I look down in my question. That listen.
I did it. Hey!
Wagwan people.
Welcome back to our channel.
Forward it.
So today we are coming at you guys again with another, I would kind of call it like a semi-challenge.
It is a challenge because she a question me and me I go question her and then we are going to find out who know who. So it is a challenge.
It's a challenge. So we're gonna call this one, and we seen it on GQ. We're calling this one the couples quiz. So we're gonna see who knows who better. So I'm gonna ask him questions. He's gonna ask me questions, and I think should we keep score of this one, babe?
Maybe. It doesn't matter. We never keep score, but depending on.
I always keep score. We're going to flip a Jamaican coin because that's all we got on this household.
To determine who's gonna go first, we have a Jamaican $20.
Ooh, $20. Okay, it's $20 Jamaican, and it's in a coin. In Canada,
it's $20. This is what our $20.
$20. That's
but
what $20 Jamaican looks like.
So, as usual, heads or tail. The head is actually one of our national hero.
Tell them who it is.
Marcus Mosiah Garvey. I'm gonna tell them who it is. Okay, teacher. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. He's one of our national heroes. Anyways, heads or tail?
Heads, baby. And you like the tails?
That just sounds so wrong. Come again.
We have to show them.
I'm gonna show them. I want to see what it is. So it's tails. Tails meaning I'm going first. Easy. My questions are easy. Am I an Android or an iPhone guy?
Oh, he's definitely an Android. Although when it comes to like laptops, he's all about Apple products. MacBook, he looks.
I know, but Android.
Phones, Android all the way.
Android.
What was I wearing the first night we met?
Oh my god. That's alright, like that was 4 years ago.
Who cares? You should know this. I know what you were wearing.
Of course, I was at work.
You weren't wearing work clothes.
Of course. I think I just formal at night.
You were wearing a white polo.
What?
Yeah, you were.
If it was a white polo and a blue shirt, that was my uniform. But at night I just a bit semi-formal.
Think about it. It's really not that hard.
I honestly don't remember. What? I don't want to lie. I really don't remember.
Think about it. What color was I wearing?
Black. Okay. I know it's black. It's black. But what black? Right?
Was I wearing pants?
Or shorts? Or a dress? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
It would definitely be a pants.
Alright. He got that one wrong.
I already tell you, see?
I was wearing a black dress.
See, I was gonna say dress, but you see the thing is like not every time she liked to wear a dress, right? And especially it was a club, so you know, I don't know. I honestly didn't want to say dress, and I didn't want to say pants or shorts, so I would say I don't know, because I didn't remember.
He got that one wrong. Went up on you, baby.
Alright, am I an introvert or an extrovert?
Oh, you're definitely an extrovert.
Why would you say I'm an extrovert?
Because you can I can put him in any room with any amount of people, and he always he'll be the first to strike up a conversation. He's an extrovert. 100%.
Yeah, I'm very extra.
He can fit in any situation.
Yeah, I'm extra. Come like that, I call it in Jamaica. You come like a water.
Where was our first kiss?
Where? Yeah. On the beach. It was on the beach.
He got that one right.
Who are my closest friends?
Andre.
Mm-hmm.
Andre from Bahia.
Mm-hmm.
And Stevie. Oh, hang on a second. Andre from Bahia.
Uh-huh.
Chris.
Mm-hmm.
And Stevie. And Junior. And Junior too. Junior, Andre, Chris, and Stevie.
And HD.
And
Marvin.
HD.
Marvin. All right. So she kind of get it. She take too long to like say the name them because they're so easy, you know.
Excuse you?
What?
Take too long to say the name.
Of course, go ahead.
Who are my two favorite reggae artists?
Reggae or like reggae or dancehall?
Reggae.
So one is definitely reggae. It's kind of hard for you with
Stop
reggae.
beating around the
I'm
bush,
not beating
baby.
around the bushes because you like a lot of reggae artists.
Yeah, but who are
Right?
my two favorite?
Right? Listen. Right?
Who do I always play?
You play Barry Salmon, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Buju Banton.
Those are my two favorites.
Yeah, but you also play like a lot of
I do love
Coffee. You play a lot of Sanchez
Yeah.
and like old
But
school.
Buju
like
and Barris are like
yeah,
my
she
faves.
always played Buju.
Yeah.
What is the first thing that I would buy if I win the lottery?
Oh my god.
What is the first thing that I would buy if I win the lottery? Like tonight, not tomorrow.
A recording studio.
A recording studio. As much as how I would buy or create a recording studio, the first thing that I would buy is a house.
I was gonna
She should have
that.
known that. A
I was
house.
gonna say
That's
that.
the first thing that I'm gonna buy. Or if I would buy if I would.
All right, so we're even right now.
1-1.
Yeah.
Okay, keep them coming.
Who is my favorite country artist?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's not gonna know.
I don't know.
It's Keith Urban.
See, I don't know. I like country music, but
He
I'm
does,
not fully
he does. He
aware of
likes
like
country music.
some of the artists, like maybe a handful or less. What are my biggest gifts or talents?
So he's a really good dancer. And he's also like super good with electronics. Computers, designing, like he's really good at designing. He's double jointed.
Double jointed? What does double joint mean? Meaning you have like two
Go
elbows.
show them what you can do, babe.
You have like two elbows and two kneecaps. Like on one hand. Yeah? Where? Like show me the double joint. Where is it?
Put your
Is that
arms
it?
behind
Is that
your
it?
back. Yeah.
That's all my gifts?
Oh, well, there's a few others, but we're not going to talk about those.
So
or did
many.
you want me to just like sit here and keep naming all of your talents?
No. It's like there's a lot, but you said like the biggest. That's what I asked for, and that's why you gave me.
What's my favorite color?
Black. That's obvious. I already said it at the start of the video.
Yeah.
Black, right? When did I realize that you were the one?
Honestly, like fully, I would say September 2017.
What happened?
That's like the first, when I was coming back to see you, that visit, that was like the first time that like we stayed at Auntie's house. So like that was pretty much not the first time that you brought me like around your home, but that was like I don't know. I feel like that was like when you knew. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yeah, that's a part of it, because like if I like didn't assume that way, I wouldn't even bring you at my home, right? So
no, but if I'm not 100% like right, when did you know that I was the one?
You mean there's it was
Babe, see, when you ask me questions like this, then I'm gonna grill you.
It was way before that, but as they say, like, you know, leave it for another story. It's as I said when we just started, it was like very complicated, and you know, like as soon as we get over that obstacle and you know we started out things the proper way,
Yeah.
you know, decide, like, yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, like, a lot of people, like a lot of our subscribers and viewers might think, like, you know, our love story was all like peaches and like roses, but we had some hurdles.
Like,
in the beginning,
it was all in the beginning. Like most long distance relationship, we had our obstacles.
We did,
and we dealt with them, and we worked. You know, because you know when you want what you want, you're gonna work hard for it.
100%. So, do I prefer my hair curly or straight?
You prefer it straight, but she wanted to she straightened it, right? And this is what I don't understand. She's straight. Her hair is curly.
My hair is naturally curly.
Her hair is curly. And then she straightened her hair for like over an hour and a half. And then she curl her hair again. You get
Sometimes I just don't feel like straightening.
So she curled her hair after it was already curled. So she just straightened her hair just to curl it. Am I wrong?
No. Every time my hair gets wet, it gets curly.
Yeah, but when you straighten your hair, do you curl it?
Oh, the end?
Yeah, you still curl it. So why are you straightening it in the first place?
But I am trying to embrace like my curls. My hair is naturally very curly, and I'm trying to embrace that. But every now and then, I like to straighten it.
Would I ever join the military?
Yeah, you would.
Why would I join the military?
Because you were like, just being like patriotic and like. You are you not?
Yes, I am.
Like, he's asking, like, you know, like, what can I do to...
Like, help out, you know what I mean? Like, even volunteering,
like he wants to, like...
community and stuff like that.
He would for sure join the military. I wouldn't let him, though. I wouldn't let him. Where was our very official first date? Resorts not included.
What?
Yeah?
That's unfair, because we had, like, our first, and our first... And our first, right?
Not including resort.
So when you say not including resort, I knew she was gonna come with this question. Like, when she told me what the challenge is gonna be, I'm really thinking, I'm like, you know, she's gonna come with that question. But I honestly,
you know, I always come hard, baby. Babe, stop.
I didn't say it, you did.
Babe.
We went to...
Think about it.
Not resort-wise, restaurant, it's a restaurant, but where?
Babe, you're sleeping on the couch tonight. Do you want me to tell you?
It's not even like history class. I'm just letting you know, okay? So, yeah, I can remember certain moments, but I can't remember exactly.
I'll give you a hint.
If you give me a hint, I might know it.
It was on the beach.
Was that the first one?
Official? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It was at Bamboo Blue or Blue Bamboo or whatever it is. But I remember. But was that the first though?
Official? Yeah.
All right. Which character in a movie or TV show reminds you of me?
What?
Yeah. A character in a movie or a TV show. You just make a wild guess, right? No.
In his younger years, Eddie Murphy in his younger years. Then who?
No, it's Sanka from Cool Runnings.
Oh, that's true. That's true. And actually, one of our subscribers actually pointed that out.
Yeah, and then when she pointed it out, I'm like, yeah, that's really true.
Yeah, put the judge in front of your face.
She always said it, you know, like Sanka from Cool Runnings. Thought you were gonna get that one. I'm like, that one was so easy.
What is my favorite thing to do with you?
What? What is your favorite thing to do with me? Cuddle.
Yeah.
Cuddle. She likes to cuddle.
But what else do I love to do?
What? When we're watching movies?
No, when we're alone.
What?
I'm just joking. We're keeping this clean. Listen. And I just love cuddling with him. I don't even watch the movies half of the time. I fall asleep. But just like being like, he loves his movies and like just like laying with him and cuddling with him. Even if I fall asleep, like he'll stay up for hours. He'll go on a binge watch. But that's like one of my favorite things to do.
Yeah, she likes to cuddle a lot. Rub her big feet together. It's the truth.
It's true. We're not lying.
What is one thing that I really want to do but I haven't done yet?
Travel the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
I really want to travel the world. I want
We're
to do like all the
with
excursions.
COVID, we're like it's almost
I
impossible.
want to do all the excursions. I tell her I want to go into what do you call them again?
My favorite
First
place
school.
is Jamaica. Like I don't care if I like go anywhere else, to be honest with you. But I want him to see the world. Because like me being Canadian, I could travel like as much as I want, wherever I want to go, like all of my life. Him, like the very first time leaving Jamaica, he came straight to Canada. Yeah. So like just having that freedom, to be able to travel, like we're gonna travel the world, baby. What is the best gift you've ever given me?
The best gift would be this necklace.
Babe, you think I like materialistic things?
Okay, if we're not talking about materialistic thing, then it has to be JJ. It can't be, if we're not talking about materialistic thing, it has to be JJ.
Okay, well, JJ, yes, but
so if
without you,
come on,
without
listen,
we wouldn't have JJ.
That's true, but you said what did I give to
you gave me your love.
Of course. But like, come on, be realistic. We're being realistic here.
I am being realistic. You gave me your, you gave yourself to me.
Yes, I did, but it's really JJ. Do I prefer the city or the countryside?
I'm gonna say the countryside.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Like I don't mind the city, and the fast life and chop and all that.
Yeah, I'm really gonna say like he's such an outdoorsy kind of person. I would say I mean even like we're kind of in the country. And we just make the most of it.
We're in the sticks.
We're in the sticks.
In the sticks.
But we just make the most of it. Like even in the summer, like when we're on lockdown, we just go outside, we throw up the tent, we bring out the barbecue, we jerk chicken, we drink
because we can play our music as loud as we can, and nobody's gonna say, "Oh, you turn it down," or probably call the cops.
What's my favorite pet name that you call me?
What?
Yeah.
Babe.
You don't call me it very often anymore though. But when we were separated, you used to call
Sugar Plum?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why don't you call me that anymore?
Because you call me babe. So I just call you babe or babes. Or babe. She doesn't like babes.
No, and I don't like
because
bae.
It's plural, but babes. In Jamaica, when you say babes.
You always call me baby.
Listen, in Jamaica, when I'm texting and stuff like that,
you used to call me pumpkin, sugar plum, sugar dumpling.
Because them time them usually eat them food in Jamaica. But a long time I don't eat them food no more, you see me? So when last me eat sugar dumpling.
Okay, let's carry on.
Exactly. I've eat I don't
even know how to make sugar dumpling.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, it's been a while. So I usually sweet June plum. What's the name of my parents, my brother and sisters? All of their name. You don't have to say their full name, but what everybody know them as.
So Clover.
Okay.
Is it Alvani? Is it
Alvani?
What's your dad's name?
That's what I'm asking you. What's my parents' name?
Well, let's skip dad. Poochie.
Okay.
Or Seshani. Tisani. Giovanni.
I'll be an Annie. I was slow on that thing.
Oh
I'll be
an Annie. Your stepdad's Troy.
I said my parents, my brother and sister, we reach way far.
Troy's your stepdad.
Well, yeah, he is. He is. He partially grew up.
What's your other brother's name? Kirky. My Kirky. But what's your other brother's name?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
Oh my God.
You can't look in your phone. You already get my mom.
Babe.
You get my two sisters.
Why is it working?
You get one of my brother. You still haven't got my dad and my two brothers.
It's Al something. Your dad is Alvani.
Wagwan Al something.
Or it's Alvani.
Alvani.
What is it?
That should have been his name.
What's
Like
his
one of the
name?
El Chapo name there.
What's his name?
Come, we're talking about
Sparta.
Sparta. Who is Sparta?
Your brother.
What's his name?
Sparta King.
No, that's not what his mom named him. Even his nickname. First name or nickname.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Sad. You have Clover,
Yes.
Alvin.
See?
You have
It's Alvani. You just
have-
call him Alvin for
you
short.
have Kirk, me, OJ,
Which is Giovanni.
Sanjay or Sham,
Sham.
You are-
That's it.
Tas, Poochie.
What is my favorite meal?
Your favorite meal?
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot. You like brown stew chicken.
That's it.
You like
Ding,
soup.
ding, ding.
You like
No,
steak.
my favorite is brown stew chicken.
Yeah, your favorite in fried chicken.
Oh, I
See?
love fried chicken too,
So-
but my thighs don't. So
What's my shoe size?
11. They're big.
11.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah, like
It's
a
11.
comfy 11. But I can squeeze it down to like a 10 still. So squeeze it and get a little squeeze too.
Babe, we're not in Jamaica anymore. You don't have to squish your feet into shoes.
Listen, it's not only Jamaica. You have to make your foot look small, you know? You don't want your foot to look big. Because people are gonna assume the worst when they see you with big foot.
You ready?
Ready?
What city was I born in?
Scarborough.
What? That's right.
Scarborough.
Your wife is from the hood. You got yourself a hood girl.
Good.
I'm just playing. But I am from the hood though.
What's my favorite drink?
Campari.
Campari and what?
Campari and rum cream. What is my favorite store to shop at for clothing?
For clothing?
Mm-hmm.
Aritzia or
Yeah!
Aritzia or whatever.
I didn't think you were
Yeah!
What?
And then when it comes to like shoes and slippers and stuff like that, it's MK.
Babe, I was gonna ask you that in another question.
Uh-oh, that's 2 for me. So you see, I just answered 2 in 1. I know my shit. All right. Would I rather be a famous musician or an actor?
An actor.
Why would you choose an actor?
Because you always, even when we went to downtown Toronto and stayed at a hotel for our anniversary just a couple weeks ago. And there was a movie set going on, and he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna be an extra one day." Yeah, he would definitely
Yeah, I tell her.
because
like,
he's an extrovert.
Normally, listen. Normally, not everybody's
he's
gonna
so
tell
good at
you,
acting.
oh, they want to be an extra or whatever it is. They're telling you, oh, I want to be like that guy or an actor or stuff like that. But being an extra is just another step to get yourself through the door.
Yeah, he would be a really good actor.
Right? So
Yeah.
if I could be an extra or even behind the scene or whatever it is, it will really work out. So if you got a link, who know a link and a link, just hit me up.
What are my parents' first names?
So you have Kim and Ozzy.
But what's my dad's real first name?
I don't remember.
Eh.
What? No. What do you mean? That's his first as
That's the name you know him as, but that's not his
exactly,
first
but
name.
you didn't tell me that.
Eh.
You can't blame me for something you didn't tell me. I know him as Ozzy,
Oh,
right?
I've told you his first name before.
No.
Yes, I did. Cyril?
So sorry.
Hey, don't make fun of my dad's name.
I swear she said what? What did you say? What? Cyril?
Cyril.
Cyril, like Cyril in
Cyril.
Jamaica?
Cyril.
Like surreal?
Cyril. Cyril.
Cyril.
Anyways, you got a half a point for that one.
Listen, Ozzy. Stick to Ozzy, okay? Alright, my turn.
Mhm.
I think I only have one more question, but I'm gonna make up 2 on the go. Alright?
Oh.
What does my morning routine look like?
Okay, so when he's going to work, I wake him up in the morning and he switches his music from his nighttime sleep music to his cheery church music. He has his shower while I make him his bacon and eggs.
Okay, continue.
And pour him his glass of mango and pineapple juice. Oh, and I spread his clothes out on the bed for him.
Okay.
I do. I spread his clothes out
on
the bed for him.
Mm-hmm.
I don't put his shoes on his feet or anything like that. And when he's not working, he just kind of like wakes up and like goes with the flow. Sometimes he'll have a coffee. Sometimes he'll have a drink. He doesn't really eat when he gets up in the morning. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Right?
Whenever I don't have to work, I
You just go with the flow.
I'm just like, you know what? You get your day to not be tense, you know, and you just whatever happened. Am I gonna like have a drink or even two? You know what I mean? Or just drink a glass of water. Some morning I'll like, you know, have something to eat. Some I'll just like snack until whenever I can get something.
He gets like hungry.
Yeah, and I just enjoy my day off.
When I used to travel to Jamaica to see you, this is like a multiple choice question.
Okay.
Did I prefer to A, stay at a resort, B, stay at an Airbnb, or C, stay at your house?
It was kind of a bit of my place and an Airbnb because she liked to stay at my place because we're like closer to family.
Yeah, and like you just get that authentic like I love Jamaican culture, and you just get that like authentic vibe, you know?
Yeah, and then for the Airbnb, like she like the little bit of like privacy, you know? You get like to just like chill, relax. You don't have to worry.
Because at his house, it's like it was
like,
always like his door was open. Like
it's a family home, so you know you're probably gonna wake up 5 o'clock in the morning and see someone outside talking or whatever.
Or wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and hear a ruckus going on outside. Like
so like she loved that because she's like closer to family and friends, and then she like, you know, sometimes we'll do our privacy or whatever. And then another time we'll just go to a resort to just enjoy the all-inclusive where we don't have to do anything.
Didn't really do resorts, so I think we just did 3.
Yeah, we didn't do that.
Out of like the 23 trips, like
it was mostly Airbnb.
Yeah.
And my home.
Yeah. Staying at his house was my favorite.
Watching movie. What are my favorite genre of movie?
I would have to say like superpowers, or what do you call those movies?
Fantasy or something like
fantasy
that.
Or supernatural. No, what do you call them?
That's what it is. It's like fantasy where it involves with like a lot of like magic or superpower or supernatural.
Yeah, whereas me, I don't like that. Like I don't like that.
She's like the reality type. You know, it has to be like real.
Do I prefer dancehall or old school reggae?
Old school reggae. It's like out
100%.
there. Like she listened all types of music. Well, not all types of music, but she listened both reggae, dancehall, occasionally like, you know, like the hip hop, country music, but she loves old school reggae.
Old school reggae is like
dancehall.
my favorite. You're right.
Yeah. What is my favorite color?
I'm gonna say like mustard yellow.
Not because it looked good on me, that means it's my favorite color. You're wrong. My favorite color is green.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more.
Okay.
What's my shoe size?
I knew this was coming. I would say 7, 8.
Is it a 7 or is it okay, that's a 1 inch difference right there.
It still works.
No, it doesn't. I ain't squishing my toes up in a 7.
What? You don't watch
it's an 8.
It's 7, 8. Because even so, like some of your slippers, aren't they like 7? 7.5?
No.
What, 8?
8.
Those are big ass slippers, baby.
Anyways, this video has gotten like super long. So
we forgot to tell you guys to like and subscribe the video.
Oh my god. Okay.
Remember guys, like, subscribe, and everything.
So we have like a lot of viewers that don't have their notification bell turned on. So if you're subscribed to our channel, make sure that you go and you hit that notification bell so that you're notified when our videos drop. Yeah.
You better hit that notification bell.
Ding, 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 ding. No, but seriously though, you know, if you're subscribed to our channel and the notification bell isn't turned on, you're not gonna be notified when our videos drop.
Yeah.
So.
You want to be in the hot spot and know when the hot thing drop. You see what me I say? Prop, prop, nada, da, pop. Prop, prop, prop. I think so she gonna come in with like one line for like, you know, rhyme up a thing. They come in a bust gunshot. And there are people make dance all like no gonna come and dance come bust gunshot. If you come and drop a line or a rhyme or something, keep the vibes going, you come and prop, prop, prop.
Babe, I told you I'm from the hood.
Prop, prop, prop.
You got yourself a hood girl, baby. Just joking.
Anyway, guys,
thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you guys next time.
Peace. A lot of chicken grease.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be a long video. We're already like 14 minutes in this, and imagine the other one.
Oh my god, babe, really?
Yeah.
To me,
Well, we're gods. We made it. I'm gonna cut that out.
I can't with it.
I'm gonna cut it out.
Did you just snort?
Yeah. When last me eat sugar plum? When last me eat what do you call it? Hey, what? Listen, keep the video clean, okay? We're talking about food right here.
Cham, you can kick mass when I see you when we come to Texas.
Yeah, Sham never really left in your house still. Sham not really left in your room, so you're not gonna get for kicking.
See what happens when you don't come to our wedding, Cham?
Yeah,
I forget your name.
You're not gonna get for kicking nobody.